You can use it to help them relax, relieve stress, recover from injury or illness, or just to feel better and stay happier and healthier.
Chunyi Lin explains that the human body contains pathways, known as meridians, through which qi flows. Along these pathways are specific points where energy can be accessed more easily. When these points are open and active, qi flows smoothly, supporting physical health, emotional balance, and mental clarity. However, stress, negative emotions, and lifestyle habits can block these points, slowing down energy flow. His method focuses on reopening these points so the body can heal itself naturally.
There are 12 major energy channels in the body and hundreds of energy points all over the body connecting with them. Keeping these energy channels open and your energy flowing smoothly is the key to optimal health and wellness. It can also help you to recover faster and more completely if you do become sick or injured. In acupuncture, they place fine needles in these energy points to help open any energy blockages in the body, stimulate the flow of energy along the energy channels, and help bring the body's energy back into balance. In Qisage, you will be learning to do the same thing. While there are hundreds of energy points in the body, only a few are very powerful and very important. These are the points we will be focusing on. Once we stimulate these key energy points in a certain order, it can help to relax the entire body and stimulate the energy in the entire body more completely and much faster.
One of the most important energy centers he teaches about is the lower dantian, located below the navel. This area is considered the body's main energy reservoir. By gently placing your hands over this area, relaxing your body, and focusing your mind there, you begin to gather and store qi. Chunyi Lin often emphasizes smiling into this area, as a relaxed and positive mind enhances energy flow.
Before you begin a Qisage session, focus on your heart. Focus on this unconditional love within you. Call upon the love of God to assist you, or call upon the unconditional love from the universe. See this love as a beautiful light that fills your heart to overflowing. Allow this love to flow from your heart and through your hands into the person you are helping. Visualize it happening, or just say it in your mind, and be confident that this loving, healing energy is there to assist you and the person you are helping. There's nothing more powerful and healing than unconditional love. And the best part is, the more healing energy you share with others, the more healing energy you will draw into yourself.
This practice can lead to deeper relaxation, improved health, and a greater sense of harmony within yourself.
Bend your knees a little, always you do so, and put a smile on your face. Do you remember what smile stands for? Let's say it aloud together. Start my internal love engine. So thank you. Now, so let's tap the beginning of the eyebrows. Use the knuckles of your thumb 9 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And the face, the middle of the cheek and the cheek here, and under the eye, under the eyes 9 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Cup the top of the head. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now cup the base of the head by slightly bending over a little bit. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now tap the tailbone. When you tap the tailbone, you help to activate the kidney energy to help you.
It calms the nervous system, improves posture, and helps in cultivating awareness.
Very good. So now we start bouncing. Now, while you're bouncing, you tell the universe what is the purpose for you to do this everyday Qigong practice together with me. For instance, you say, I want to heal my arthritis in my joints. I want to open my heart more to help the world. And I want to clear blockages in my breast. As I'm healed, I'm going to share a lot of joy, happiness, healing, and love with my family, with my friends, my community, and even the world. Now, then you focus on your knees. Drop your shoulders. Let go with your shoulders and your stomach and bounce.
This movement symbolizes welcoming the energy of the universe and releasing tension.
Now, have your hands up above your head. Let go with the wrist and continue to bounce. Inhale through your nose and exhale through your mouth. You inhale and exhale slowly, gently, and deeply. Take 5 seconds to inhale. 5 seconds to exhale. If you are in the process of healing something chronic in your body, you can focus on the exhaling a little bit longer time. For instance, take 3 to 5 seconds to inhale and 5 to 7 seconds to exhale. Remember, when you inhale and exhale, you need to feel comfortable. Don't try to push yourself too hard.
It creates a reservoir of vitality in the body, enhancing resilience and supporting long-term health.
Focus on your lower dantian. Now slowly, you move your hands up from the sides. Slowly. Now you hold your hands above your head, just like you're holding a beach ball above your head. And the elbows drop a little bit. Fingers slightly open. Inhale, you drop your knees a little. Exhale, slowly straight up your knees. Inhale again. Slowly drop your shoulders a little bit and also the knees. And exhale, slowly move your hands up. Straight up your knees.
It builds foundational life force energy that supports longevity.
If by holding your hands still like this, you feel a little bit tired, and then you can move your hands, drop your elbows a little bit more down, like what I'm doing at this moment. And then exhale, straight up. Stretch your hands straight up to the ceiling. And you feel that you're so connected to the heaven and the earth. Say in your mind, your feet are 9 feet deep in the earth to receive the earth energy to support you. And your hands are way, way up in the heaven, receiving the universal energy. You can feel your body is just so grounded and so connected. When you connect the earth energy and the heaven energy, feel how peaceful you feel. Drop your shoulders. You might say, by holding up the hands like this, I feel so tired. How can I feel so tight with my arms? How can I feel that peacefulness in my body? Well, if you focus on the lower dantian, which is deep in behind the navel,
This balance harmonizes yin and yang energy, bringing emotional stability and clarity of mind.
And you let go with your emotion. Or simply just visualize you are watching yourself doing this movement, and you are the inspector, you are the coach, coaching your dear friend, which is your body, in front of you to do this movement, and you feel the calmness is right there for you. So if you feel the tingly sensation in your hands, maybe you feel a little bit aches and pains in your shoulders, that means the channels are opening up. That's a good thing. You remember, do it slowly and gently. This movement is very, very good for opening up the channels in your lungs, opening up and strengthening the diaphragm so that you can take longer and deeper breath. And you can also create more energy, more qi flow from the head to the toe, helping you to cleanse the major energy channels open. Now, 2 more movements of this movement, then we come to the end of this movement. Inhale, drop your knees, and exhale, straight up.
The upward movement lifts energy, while the downward flow grounds it.
Inhale again, drop your knees, your shoulders a little bit, and exhale, straight up. And now slowly, you put your hands down. Remember, put your hands down slowly. If you hold your hands in the air for too long, if you drop them right immediately, you might feel the muscles kind of hurt, and the ligaments and tendons feel kind of hurt.